welcome back to the channel. There may be kitty cats strolling in, I don't know, or they could be catnapping. You never know with my little crew. I've got two. I'm so excited. Anyways, we are here with another SHEIN beauty haul. If you guys follow me, you will see that I have been wearing press-ons for a hot doggone minute, and I have got a ginormous press-on nail haul. All of this is from SHEIN's website, and of course I'm gonna have everything linked and listed for you guys down below. If you guys saw my short, have you picked up the mascara yet? I cannot get enough of the SHEIN Miss Lynn mascara. This mascara, hands down, that's all I have on today. I have been using a lot of lash serum, and my lashes will hit up through my brow area, and issues I was having before with high-end ones was it was leaving mascara marks. This is insanely affordable. It is amazing. I will link it for you all. Hands down, pick it up. It is called the Color Mania by Miss Lynn. You can find it on SHEIN's website. Highly recommend picking it up. I have found a ton of the Miss Lynn products over there, and I'm loving it. If you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. My name is Rhonda, and I have been lazy about doing gels, which you can pick up gel polish and everything over on SHEIN's website. I've been really into the whole press-ons. I've got my mom doing the press-ons, so I was really excited when I saw that you can actually get press-ons sized for you, because fun little fact, I have petite or small nail beds, so even when I was going into the salon, every single time I'd get my nails done, they'd always make a comment, "You've got small nail beds." And I'm like, well, I am a small person, so I don't know what to tell you. So when I saw that you can actually pick up customized nails that will work for your nail bed, I said add to cart immediately. And it's not just one particular color. There are multiples, which I did pick up two just to play safe. I did get an extra small and a small. So just so you guys can see, and they go up to a size large, but I love that they offer that. And I feel like more places should. And so with that said, check this out. I found these bundles on SHEIN's website. For me, I do use glue, but if you want to do like the little sticky tabs, you can do that. For me, I'm just not a sticky tab girl. I just want the glue, and I want them on for like 2 weeks at a time. So check this out. There's all these different sets and sizes available in this case, and you guys wouldn't even believe me if you knew how much these cost. They are insanely affordable. There's all different kinds of styles in here. They are so adorable. And what I liked about them is the fact that you can see they've already got a little bit of extra razzle dazzle on them. And here's a little tip that I learned from you all. If you get them and they're a little bit thinner than you like, or you're hard on your nails, a tip to do while you're already shopping SHEIN's website is get yourself a gel-based top coat and a light. Super affordable, and after you apply your nails, just slap a gel top coat on there, bake it. They're going to be even more sturdy. That was a tip that you guys actually taught me when I started doing press-ons off and on years ago, and it truly does work. So if you are hard on your nails, just get yourself a gel lamp and the gel top coat. I will find one and link it for y'all down below. It is really, really good, and I just love the variety. Like, this is going to be perfect for the summertime. We have all the different flowers. We've got palm trees. You have everything, and it does come with a variety of sizes in here, which I really like. And a little tip too that I learned from you guys because of dealing with small nail beds is if you just take the nail and you file the sides of the nail before applying it to your nail bed, that also is going to help kind of customize the shape and size for yourself. So I got a couple different sets. Sometimes my youngest likes to put some on, and sometimes my youngest likes longer nails than I do. So I found this one, which again, you have the stickies, which is perfect because technically my kiddo can't wear them or they work. So if you want like a temporary press on, these are going to be great, and you get enough for a lot of sets. But this one is a longer length, different styles, and different they already have like the cutesy on there. If you just go ahead and you pop on the gel top coat, they are going to last so much longer. They're going to be sturdier. They're going to be so nice. And I was excited over the fact that it comes in a case. I mean, honestly, these are a good sturdy type of nail, just so you guys can see. I mean, honestly, I feel like they're better than what I was expecting for sure. I thought they were going to be super flimsy, but they're not. And I picked the perfect size right off the bat for my thumb. So anyways, if you want the longer style, they have that available too. And how cute are these little bumblebees? Oh my goodness. I love that. Isn't that so cute? And for the price, you cannot beat it. I love that they have a whole organized case. I did get a couple other sizes of just plain ones. I like to pick up the chrome powders and sometimes just do like a whole nail in chrome, because I like to get the chrome powder and then buff the powder on myself, or I want to do my own design. I picked up some of these. Now these have more of like a matte finish, so if you easily want to just slap a gel coat or even just a regular polish over top, you could do that if you didn't want ones that were already pre-polished or pre-painted on or whatever. And then I did get these also, which are also more of that like almond style, and you have a ton of different sizes, nice and organized, pretty much what you would find at the nail salon. If I'm doing a whole other kind of polish or a chrome powder on the nail, then I don't have to take one that has already had something put on it. So let's go back to another customized set. I got this one in an extra small, and these are really freaking nice. They come with a little cuticle pusher. It does come with a file board too, and there's a ton of different ones to choose from as far as when it comes to the different styles and different shapes. Look how nice they are. And again, they come in all different sizes. And you kind of know. I feel like you know. If you have a large nail bed or a petite nail bed, you just know. Now, these also include the little stick-ons if that is your jam. Like I said, I just take these particulars and just slap glue on my nails, and they work just fine with zero issues. I will have all of these brands down below for you all. I really like the customized ones. And then I did get these, which are a little bit more of the oval style in my opinion, a little bit more on the medium length, and they have them for just a couple dollars. These kind of got knocked around, but look how pretty these are. But yeah, I was spending upwards sometimes $20 on one set, and I'm like, hold up. So if you go to Shein's website, like I said, pick these up, and if you really want them to last longer, like how cute are these? Just slap some top coat on there if you feel like they're just not going to be sturdy enough. But I find that these are working out just fine for me. And this is a longer length style, but very, very pretty. Very much on trend to have that like torties look. And they have a lot of trendy different styles when it comes to what you have to choose from. I thought this would be pretty because of the red, and it's kind of like just a basic kind of brick red color, perfect for the holidays and everything, and just a few bucks. I do have a search code for you guys. If I haven't already popped it up on the screen, my apologies. To make it easier so you guys can see even more of the different versions and styles that they have available, Shein did give me a search code to share with you all, and it is simply just GM9MM, and that is going to give you a whole variety of different press-ons or glue-on nails. This one is a different style, but I love that jelly look. It almost has like a magnetic look to it, and I thought this would be great too because I liked how it was stuck onto this, and so it would be easier to kind of match up. This one is just stuck on, and then you can just go through and decide which one is going to fit perfectly for you. This one also includes the little press-on, and then of course the little emery board. I did get another set. These were just all one color of pink, and I feel like this is a shade that I wear a lot in the summertime, so I went ahead and picked this one up because there's so many of the same sizes in here, so I'm going to wear that a ton. Alright, we've got a few more to pick from. How fun is this? Now this style is nice and long, and it's got like just a little bit of a silvery tip, perfect for the holidays. And of course, if you want to do the glue, you can, or if you want to do the stick-ons. And then, how fun are these? This is so good for the holidays. This is more of the square style, which you guys will see me wear that style a lot too. I guess it's more of like the oval, the almond, and the square that I gravitate towards. Aren't those so pretty? It's a nice, easy application for sure. And then, of course, I go with blue because it reminds me of the kale polish that I used to wear all the flippin' time back in the day. And I had to instantly add to cart. So if you guys are in your press-on nail era, I highly suggest picking up any of these from Shein's website. Like I said, I will have everything linked and listed down below for you all. And of course, the search code, once again, I'll be popping up on the screen. And I noticed when I plugged in the search code, it was also offering me like a 15% off coupon code. So if you go ahead and you plug in GM9MM, that should get a coupon code for you guys as well, but you're gonna be shocked at the prices of these nails. So don't sleep on it. And like I said, I will try and remember to link a gel-based top coat and a light from Shein for you all. And don't sleep on the Miss Lynn mascara of heavenly goodness. It would make a great stocking stuffer, and I feel like too, these would make an excellent stocking stuffer. Nice little gift idea for you guys. So I want to give a ginormous shout out and thank you to Shein for working with your girl in today's video and allowing me to pick out all of these press-ons. If you guys want to see me do a short the next time I switch out my press-ons, let me know in the comment section down below. And I want to say thank you guys so much for being here. If you want to check me out on my other channels, Hotmess in the house for a lot of health and wellness tips. I am going back to school and I am starting functional medicine. So if you guys want to go with me on that journey, check me out on my other channel, Hotmess in the house. If you are into fashion content and everything, check out Hotmess Momma vlogs for try-on hauls. And of course, you can find me on TikTok, LTK, and Instagram at HotmessMomma04. Once again, thank you all so much for being here. Thank you to Shein, and until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.